get our stopwatch ready and reset. And I'm going to close the drain valve on the upper tank. And when we have accumulated enough water in the upper tank to overcome this weight and the leverage, the 3-to-1 ratio, and we're going to get it ready to start the watch when that weight came up. I'm going to put the 5 kilogram weight on, which brings it back down. And when we've got, because of the 3-to-1, when we've got 15 kilograms of water in the upper tank, the weight will come back up and that will stop the watch. And at that point, I'm going to open the drain valve, take the weight off, stop the watch. So I need to open this valve before I forget. I've opened the valve. I'm taking the weight off. I'm going to go back over here and establish. Now I'm going to try to establish a 200 millimeter differential in height between tube A and tube D. Start closing the pump discharge. As the overall flow is decreasing, then the column heights are going to come down. I'm going to leave it here for a second. I'll keep closing. We've got 200 on tube A, and I can open the Venturi outlet slightly to try to get it at 0. And I've now established 200 millimeter differential between tubes A and D. And we'll go over and repeat the process of weighing to determine our flow at this differential. You should be following the procedure. We only needed to record all the tubes at 250 millimeter differential, 150 millimeter differential, and 50 millimeter differential. So right now we have the 200, so all we're going to do is weigh the water. I'm going to close the drain valve. Get ready with my weight. Stopwatch. Started the stopwatch. Weight on. Stop the stopwatch when the weights come up. And I need to open the drain valve. If you don't open the drain valve right away, there's a good chance you'll overflow the tank. So we're draining it. Take the weight off. And go back. And now we're going to go down to 150 millimeters differential, and this is the one when I establish that you're going to need to record all the column heights again. Please note that the clicking noise you're hearing is not part of this experiment. There are other experiments going on in this lab. Thank you. Yes, I'm trying to get the differential between column A and column B at 150 millimeters by closing the pump discharge valve, bringing the overall column height on A down to 150. And I'm a little bit high on D, so if I open the outlet of the venturi slightly, that should increase the velocity, which causes column B to go lower. Just a bit more on pump. And we've established 0 on D and 150 on A. So in this step you need to record the heights of each tube. Once you've done that, we're going to see what our flow is, again by closing the tank valve and putting a weight on. Please see your lab material for the times and for the remaining differentials of 150. This concludes Operating Engineering Studies 201 Experiment 5. Thank you.